Australia saw a devastating start to the year 2020 with severe widespread bushfires which extensively damaged the country's local ecosystem, communities, while covering the entire region in smoke. The intense bushfires burned almost 12 million hectares while killing 33 people and millions of animals. The country witnessed a second major blaze on 9 January which ravaged the South Australian Kangaroo Island. The intense smoke that blanketed the surrounding areas resulting in a massive drop in the air quality index. On 26 August, northern Afghanistan witnessed one of the worst flash floods in its history. The floods killed more than 120 people while over 150 were wounded. The flash floods ravaged the area that was already hit with the COVID-19 pandemic and recent terrorist attacks by the Taliban. Severe rainfall had unleashed torrents of flood water which reached up to the capital Kabul. Thousands of buildings were inundated due to improper flood mitigation measures. Indonesia's entry to the new year was disastrous as the country's capital, Jakarta, saw unprecedented rainfall recorded in the last 20 years. Intense rainfall resulted in flash floods and landslides which displaced lakhs of people, while at least 66 people lost their lives. Heavy rainfall had inundated 3 nearby rivers which prompted the evacuation of over 600 people. Indonesia frequently suffers from floods and landslides, particularly during the rainy season. The situation was also worsened by rigorous deforestation in the last couple of years. In October, an earthquake hit the Aegean Sea near Izmir, which is Turkey's third largest city, killing 116 and injuring over 1,000 people. The tremors were felt across the region of western Turkey as well as Istanbul. Effects of the earthquake were also felt across the Greek island of Samos, which lies to the south of the epicenter of the earthquake. The cities witnessed over 1,700 aftershocks, out of which 45 were greater than 4.0 magnitude. Hurricane Eta ravaged several countries in Central America in November. Over 150 people lost their lives. Deaths were recorded in Honduras, Guatemala, Mexico, El Salvador, Panama, Nicaragua and Costa Rica. Storm Eta had made landfall in Nicaragua as a Category 4 hurricane with speeds of up to 140 miles per hour. The hurricane came towards the end of one of the worst Atlantic hurricane seasons on record. In May, West Bengal witnessed a second major cyclone called Amphan in the Bay of Bengal after super cyclone of 1999. Over 86 people died due to the deadly super cyclone. The cyclone ravaged several areas in West Bengal before moving to Bangladesh. The cyclone devastated the state, leaving many homeless while also snapping electricity and internet connection. Nearly 45 lakh people in Odisha were also affected by the super cyclone. In November, Typhoon Vamco made landfall in Manila and nearby provinces of the Philippines, killing over 40 people. Vamco was one of the deadliest typhoons and the Philippines witnessed in 2020. The country also witnessed one of its worst floodings due to the cyclone. More than 350,000 people were evacuated as the Philippines' main island of Luzon was ravaged by winds up to 150 km per hour and a heavy rainfall. The typhoon was just in addition to the Philippines' miseries as COVID-19 was spreading rapidly in the country. Turkey was devastated at the beginning of the year as the country was hit with a massive 6.8 magnitude earthquake. The earthquake displaced thousands of people while killing 41. The earthquake had hit eastern Turkey's Elazig and Malatya provinces. The region where the earthquake was hit is very active in terms of earthquakes due to its location between the Anatolian and the Eurasian tectonic plates. Southern Japan's Kyushu Island witnessed heavy rains and floods in July. 3 days of mudslides and floods killed at least 58 people. The country's meteorological agency, the Japan Meteorological Agency, states that the amount of rain was record-breaking and was never seen before in the country. The government had issued evacuation orders for thousands of people in western Japan.